first thing I do when I get home from school is take off my shoes and go to the kitchen and get a little snack, and then I just go on my phone for a little bit before I have to do chores and anything like that. I check Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Then I go upstairs, and normally before I do my homework and everything, I just do chores, which is consists of cleaning my room. And so I put music on because normally I blast it throughout the house, but my brother was studying and I couldn't, so I just hooked headphones onto my phone and listened to Pandora. And then I take a shower after I do my chores. I'm using the Sweet Pea body wash from Bath and Body Works. I'm using the Simple Face Wash and the Herbal Essence conditioner and shampoo. After I'm done taking a shower, I like to plug in my Christmas tree and turn on my lamp so that way I can turn off my regular room light. So that way my room is very calm. And then I just chill and do my homework and study. After I'm doing any homework or studying that needed to be done, I go downstairs and fix myself a cup of tea or hot chocolate. And after I'm done with that, I go upstairs and brush my teeth. And then I head into my room and turn on my heater. And last but not least, I just go in my bed and get ready to go to sleep. But before I do that, I just check all of my social sites like Twitter, Instagram. And after that, I am normally just ready to go to sleep. So I magically turn my lights off.